Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mount and today we learn and solve exercise questions 1 to 10, exercise 8b of chapter 8 of class 6 of composite mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 8b questions 1 to 15 of chapter equation, and topics are solving equation by method of shifting, solving equation by undoing and balancing mentally, and solving equation by transposition. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. To solve the following equation by the method of shifting, that is transposition. We have given the equation and solve the value for the variable using the transposition method or method of shifting. Given equation is x plus 7 equal to 17. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x using the method of shifting or transposition. Then x will be 17 minus 7 transposed to the right hand side, then plus 7 changes to minus 7. So x equal to 17 minus 7. Transposing 7 to the RHS, then x equal to 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. Then we get x equal to 10. So value for the variable x is 10. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is p plus 2 half equal to 5. P plus 2 half equal to 5. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable p using the method of transposition or the method of shifting. P plus 2 half. This is a mixed fraction and we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Just multiply the denominator with whole, then add the product with numerator divided by denominator. So 2 half will be 2 denominator 2 multiplied with whole 2 plus the numerator 1. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 divided by denominator is 2. 5 divided by 2. And this is an improper fraction. Now we get p plus 5 divided by 2 equal to 5. Now 5 by 2 transposed to the right hand side, then plus 5 by 2 will be changed to minus 5 by 2. Then p equal to 5 minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 transposed to the right hand side, plus 5 by 2 changes to minus 5 by 2. Then p equal to 5 minus 5 by 2. 5 divided by 2 will be 5 multiplied with 2. Multiply the denominator with whole 2 multiplied with 5. That is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 divided by denominator 2. Now we get p equal to 5 by 2. So value for the variable p is 5 by 2. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is a minus 1 equal to 9. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable a using the method of transposition or method of shifting. Then a will be minus 1 transposed to the right hand side, minus 1 changes to plus 1. Then a will be 1 plus 9. Transposing minus 1 to the right hand side, minus 1 changes to plus 1. Then 1 plus 9 is 10. Now we get a equal to 10. Now the value for the variable a is 10. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is t minus 8 equal to 12. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable t using the method of transposition or the method of shifting. This minus 2 on the left hand side minus 8 transposed to the right hand side, then minus 8 changes to plus 8. This implies t equal to minus 8 transposed to the right hand side, minus 8 changes to plus 8. This implies t equal to 8 plus 12. 8 plus 12 is 20. Now we get t is 20. So value for the variable t is 20. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5 is n minus 1.6 equal to 2.4. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable n using the method of shifting or method of transposition. This implies n will be minus 1.6 transposed to the right hand side, then minus 1.6 changes to plus 1.6. Then n will be n equal to 1.6 plus 2.4 and 1.6 plus 2.4 is 4.0. Now we get n is 4. So value for the variable n is 4. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is 8z equal to 72. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable z. 8z equal to 72, then z will be z equal to 8 multiplied with z on the left hand side, then 8 transposed to the right hand side, then multiplication of 8 will be changing to division. So z equal to 72 multiplied with 1 divided by 8 or 72 divided by 8. Z equal to 72 divided by 8 and 72 divided by 8 is 9. Now we get z equal to 9. So value for the variable z is 9. Now we will solve question number 7. Question number 7 is 10x equal to 90. Now we have to solve the value for the variable x using the method of shifting or method of transposition. 10x equal to 90, this is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x using the method of transposition or method of shifting. Now x will be 10 multiplied with x on left hand side, then multiplication symbol changes to multiplication 10 multiplied with x, 10 transposed to the right hand side, then multiplication 10 will be changed to division symbol. So x will be 90 divided by 10 and 90 divided by 10 is 9. Now we get x is 9. So value for the variable x is 9. Now we will solve question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 divided by 9 t equal to 4. This is the equation given and we will solve the value for the variable t using the method of shifting or method of transposition. Now t will be 1 divided by 9. On left hand side 1 divided by 9 division 1 divided by 9 transposed to the right hand side, then 1 divided by 9 will be changes to multiplied with 4, then t equal to 9 multiplied with 4. 9 multiplied with 4 is 36. Now we get t is 36. So value for the variable t is 36. Now we will solve question number 9. Question number 9 is 10 equal to x divided by 1.3. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x. So 10 equal to x divided by 1.3, then x divided by 1.3 will be on left hand side and 10 will be on right hand side. Now we get x divided by 1.3 equal to 10. Now x divided by 1.3, this 1 divided by 1.3 transposed to the right hand side, then 1 divided by 1.3 division changes to multiplication, then we get x equal to 1.3 multiplied with 10 and 1.3 multiplied with 10 will be 13. Now we get x equal to 13 and value for the variable x is 13. Now we'll solve question number 10. Question number 10 is x divided by 2.8 equal to 1 divided by 1.4. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable x. Now on left hand side x divided by 2.8. Then this 1 divided by 2.8 on left hand side transposed to the right hand side. Then 1 divided by 2.8, this division changes to multiplication. Now we get x equal to 2.8 multiplied with 1 divided by 1.4, and 1 divided by 1.4 multiplied with 2.8 is 2. Now we get x equal to 2. So value for the variable x is 2. Now we'll solve question number 11. Question number 11 is a plus 8 equal to minus 2. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable a. Now a will be plus 8 transposed to the right hand side, then plus 8 changes to minus 8. Then a will be minus 8 minus 2. Transposing 8 to the right hand side, plus 8 changes to minus 8. Now we get a equal to minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10. Now we get a is minus 10 and value for the variable a is minus 10. Now we solve question number 12. Question number 12 is c minus 2 equal to minus 5. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable c. Minus 2 transposed to the right hand side, then minus 2 changes to plus 2. Now we get c equal to 2 minus 5 and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Now we get c is minus 3. So value for the variable c is minus 3. Now we will solve question number 13. Question number 13 is minus 3 plus y equal to 18. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable y using the method of shifting or method of transposition. Now y will be minus 3 transposed to the right hand side, minus 3 changes to plus 3. Now y will be 18 plus 3. 18 plus 3 is 21. Now we get y equal to 21 and value for the variable y is 21. Now we'll solve question number 14. 14 is 4w equal to 30. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable w using the method of shifting or method of transposition. Now w will be 4 multiplied with w on left hand side. This 4 transposed to the right hand side, then multiplication changes to division. Now w will be 30 divided by 4 and 30 divided by 4 will be, we have to convert this 30 divided by 4 into simplest form, that is highest common factor between 30 and 4 is 2. Now divide numerator and denominator by 2. We get 30 divided by 2 is 15 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we get w equal to 15 divided by 2. So value for the variable w is 15 divided by 2. Now we solve question number 15. Question number 15 is 12 equal to m divided by 5. This is the equation given and we have to solve the value for the variable m using the method of shifting or method of transposition. We can write m divided by 9, m divided by 5 on left hand side and 12 on right hand side. Now we get m divided by 5 equal to 12. Now m will be m divided by 5. 1 divided by 5 transposed to the right hand side, then division symbol changes to multiplication. Now we get m equal to 5 multiplied with 12 and 5 multiplied with 12 is 60. Now we get m equal to 60. Now value for the variable m is 60. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply.